Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Brave browser versus the Vivaldi browser. Now if you don't know what these two are, the Brave browser is a privacy-focused browser that blocks ads and trackers by default. It is built on Chromium, and it emphasizes speed and user privacy. So if you want to get those annoying ads out of the way, you should use this one, Brave browser. Now for Vivaldi browser, this one is a highly customizable browser also based on Chromium, and it's designed for power users who want full control over their browsing experience. So this browser has basically you can do anything with this browser. It is highly customizable, and you can do anything that you want with it. So let's go over their pros and cons, starting with the Brave browser. So number one, that it has a built-in ad tracker or blocker. It is fast performing. You can earn crypto, which is named BAT, for viewing ads, and it has a relatively simple interface. Now, the cons of it is that it has limited customization, and the some sites may break due to aggressive blocking, so you cannot visit some sites since the Brave browser blocks the ads or blocks the site entirely. And the crypto side of it, the Batcoin system, is not for everyone. So let's head over to Vivaldi.com right here. So the pros of it is that it has extremely customizable UI. It has built-in tools like mail, calendar, and notes. It has tab stacking and split view, and has strong privacy controls. Now, the cons of it is that it is heavier in the resource usage, just like Google Chrome, and can feel very overwhelming for casual users. And it doesn't offer crypto, unlike the Brave browser. Now, which one is right for you? So you should choose the Brave browser for speed and simplicity, and you should choose Vivaldi if you want full control and rich features of your browser. And yeah, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.